boy Mark. Welcome back to the channel. I want to start this off by showing our boy West Banks fucking 2JZ Supra here, finish on the LMs. Ron's a race car driver now, huh?
Fucking domo arigato, motherfucker.
Got the vest on, the whole nine.
Meet you in the mountains, pussy.
Anyway, today I'm gonna go to this JDM meet. So you can't come.
Well, I don't want to come. I'm just asking where.
Oh, at the 7-Eleven. RJ DeVera, Fast and Furious guy, the homie, invited me to some JDM pop-up thing. 7-Eleven, DeVera.
DeVera?
He's a Fast and Furious guy. Fast and Furious 1? No, the one that goes, damn, that guy's fast. Anyway, we're gonna go to this pop-up JDM. He said it's gonna be some. He said it's gonna be some crazy JDM cars there, and yeah, I can't think of another car to take than that. So, what do you think? You look JDM.
Stupid.
Nah, you look exotic, dude.
You look like one of them JDM. You know the toys you open up in the Akibara, and you got like 3 holes and shit. You know what I'm talking about?
So you're just saying you want to fuck me? Right?
Yeah. I don't know if you guys can tell on the camera, but it's sick. Anyways, let's go. I'm gonna fix that screen. I am definitely gonna fix that screen. You know, my problem is I don't want to get into the interior because once I start, I'm not gonna stop, and the interior needs a full redo. Like I want to listen to fucking Bluetooth at least, but I haven't changed that because once I get into here, I want to change everything. I have the mines like cover, the green cover, and all this other stuff. I have a big interior plans, but there's just so much to do. Not enough time to do it. Guys, it's definitely a boring drive there, but I will definitely see you guys there. We're here. I see Chris's GTR already, R33. So yeah, cool. What's up, dude?
What up, dude?
How are you?
Good.
So this is the little meat right here. Is Pablo, you brought this?
Yeah. No.
That's sick.
Cute.
This is dope.
Thanks, man.
Damn. This is so cool, dude. So this is a AZ1?
Yep. AutoZam AZ1.
That's awesome.
So, Ashley here is the rightful owner of this car, and she would love to tell you about it.
Yeah, this is pretty awesome. This is a really cool car.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I've never seen one of these before, so.
Thanks. Yeah, they were only sold in Japan for like a couple years.
Yeah, that's badass.
The early 90s. And they didn't make that many of them.
That's so sick with the doors like that. There's no way they would do production cars like that without raising the price like crazy,
Yeah.
you know? So this is awesome.
I got this for $7,000.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
There's no way it's worth $7,000 right now.
No, they're worth way more right now.
It's dope. It would be fun to drive with the doors
I get the
up.
attention of the Ferrari, but like I didn't have to pay for the Ferrari. So
Well, I mean, to be honest, like I have a Ferrari, but I prefer to. This is cooler than, you know what I mean, in my opinion. So this is sick. All right, guys, we're here at 7-Eleven. I just smashed 3 taquitos on the house. Thank you, Sonia, for that. But check this out. There's a little JDM little pop up here. We got everybody over here. The 34 is here, handicap, but I was told to park there. Look at this sick ass NSX, dude. Look how clean this is. Spoon brakes. Look at the plate. I always used to say NSX is the Japanese Ferrari, and it literally is Ferrari. We got a Mark IV over here. Got an R35. Chris's R34. And we have some of the original auto cars here. Chilling. You guys have seen this car before. It's sick. Sick as fuck. Sick ass Hachi over here. Dope. Super sick. Look at them baby rays. 7-Eleven, guys. By the way, if you guys, here's a little thing. So when I used to be in high school, I used to go to 7-Eleven all the time. And what they have, a hidden thing, try their taquitos. Go to 7-Eleven and try their taquitos because it's bomb. Get the Monterey Jack one and just try it. But go super fucking hungry because I used to eat that shit all the time. Go over there and get a couple taquitos for yourselves. JDM. So sick. White on white. Super sick. Riga Masters. So sick. Cocaine.
It's not Miami Vice spec.
It's white on white.
Yeah.
With the red. This is sick.
That's a photo right there. This 3.
This is it.
This is it, man.
This is the right photo right here. This is it. Custom. Mr. Integra himself. Am I just geeking out for no reason? I don't know. You guys tell me. Super cool. Oh, I see endless brakes. Respect. Anyone with endless brakes gets my respect. I'm gonna sit in this thing here, guys.
Looks like his original one.
All right.
See, this is like a mid-size car. Yeah.
Huh. It works. But, so my head would hit the top then. would you say?
I mean, I can close it and then you can bet.
All right, let's see.
Just like watch your.
Yeah, I'm good.
There's actually space.
I fit, and then this is the window?
Yeah, that's all you get.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
And then, yeah, it's like a Miata door handle.
Dude, this is fucking sick, dude. Guys, tell me if am I being weird for liking this so much? You guys gotta let me know. It's a vibe. You won't fit in that thing.
No, I ain't gonna fit in it.
So this car comes with a Suzuki motor in it. It's a 3-liter turbo, 600 cc or 660 cc turbo, 3-cylinder, and it makes 64 horsepower, but with a tune you get 70. So it's pretty sick. You got 70 horsepower with this thing with a nice tune, so it's badass. Mid-engine, rear-wheel drive. So I was just saying, like, imagine sliding this fucking thing around, but like the owners of the cars over there, they're saying if you slide it around, these doors would probably fall off just because it's not like on, like, I mean, it's a 1992, but can you guys just picture this car fucking doors up, sliding around, like fucking around, this little funny little car? It's hilarious. AZ1, AutoZone or AutoZone or I can't pronounce it. You guys are gonna hate me, but it's like an AZ1. That's what it's called. And she modified, I think she has a Mazda Speed front hood, she said, and she just painted something, I forgot, guys, I'm the worst, but it's really fucking sick. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. And don't worry about the 34 back there, okay? All right, guys, that's the end of today's show, and hope you guys enjoyed it. This guy has the 86 over here. It's not top secret gold. It's not top secret gold.
Exactly.
Yeah. That's definitely the end of this episode. Thanks for tuning in. As always, hit that subscribe button for your boy, please. And I will definitely catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
What's up, man?
What's up?